Hello students, let's continue chapter 8th of class 7th of science, that is winds, storms and cyclones. Today we will discuss tornadoes. In India, tornadoes are not very frequent. A tornado is a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. Students, you can see the picture of tornadoes. This is a dark funnel shaped rotating cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. Most of the tornadoes are weak. A violent tornado can travel at speeds of about 300 km per hour, and the diameter of a tornado can be as small as a meter and as large as a kilometer or even wider. Due to very low pressure in it, the funnel of a tornado sucks everything that comes near it at the base. It then throws the things upwards. Hence, tornadoes can be devastating. Now I will explain you about destruction caused by tornadoes. Tornado cause much damage due to its high speed winds. It uproots trees, electric poles and telephone poles. It disrupts power supply and telecommunications. It lifts the people and vehicles off the ground and hurls them hundreds of meters away. This may lead to the death of people and damage to vehicle. Tornado cause extensive damage to buildings. Now we will discuss that how can you protect yourself from tornado. To protect yourself from tornado, take shelter in a room situated deep inside or underground having no windows, or otherwise it is better to shut windows and take shelter under a table, workbench where debris cannot reach. Bow down on knees, protecting head and neck using arms. Now we will discuss about effective safety measures which are taken before a cyclone. A cyclone forecast and warning system. Rapid communication of warnings to the government agencies, the port, fishermen, ships and to the general public. Construction of cyclone shelters in the cyclone prone areas. Administrative arrangements for moving people fast to safer places. What all precautions should be taken by the people who live in cyclone hit area. Do not ignore the warnings issued by the meteorological department through TV, radio or newspaper, and make necessary arrangements to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals and vehicles etc. to safer places. Avoid driving on roads through standing water as floods may have damaged the roads. Keep ready the phone numbers of all emergency services like police, fire brigade and medical centers. Some other precautions are: always store drinking water for emergencies. Do not drink any water, it could be contaminated. Do not touch weight switches and fallen power lines. Do not go out just for the sake of fun. Do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demands, and cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. Now we will discuss advanced technology for cyclone forecasting and warning. These days we are better protected. Thanks to satellites and radar, a cyclone alert or cyclone watch is issued 48 hours in advance of any expected storm, and a cyclone warning is issued 24 hours in advance. Thus, appropriate precautionary measures can be taken accordingly. The message is broadcast every hour or half hour when a cyclone is nearer the coast. Several national and international organizations cooperate to monitor the cyclone related disasters. We have learnt that all storms are low pressure systems. Wind speed plays an important role in the formation of storms. It is therefore important to measure the wind speed for predicting any calamity like cyclone. Hence, the speed of wind in coastal areas should be measured regularly. The instrument that measures the wind speed is called anemometer. So students, this is the end of chapter 8, that is winds, storms and cyclones. We will meet again in our next video with next chapter of science. Up till then, thank you.